It's that time of year again. We're getting close to fall, and we start thinking about things that we can do to our lawn or to our landscape to help improve what we have. If we have weeds in the landscape, broadleaf weeds especially, using a lot of the herbicides that we use for broadleaf weeds work better in the fall than they do in the spring, just because plants are starting to go dormant and they're starting to take their nutrients down into the roots, so it's easier to translocate a lot of those herbicides to get into the roots. So now until, let's say, end of November, even December, if we have a warm winter, we can still treat a lot of broadleaf weeds. So that's the ideal time to control a lot of dandelions, clover, ground ivy, so a lot of those different ones we can control in the fall. Thinking about some of the winter annuals that might be coming, fall pre-emergent can work for those. So if we have an issue in the past, I would recommend maybe using a pre-emergent now or soon, so we can cover a lot of those winter annuals and we can control them without having to do it next spring. So with that, I'd say, get out there, scout your lawn. If you have broadleaves, spray a herbicide that's needed or that works well on those plants that you're trying to control.